Good morning. So, what have we been talking about this since like October, November? Well, we're finally here. This is proof that they're building it right, that you guys built it right, that you guys can plan it right, and that you guys can mean that the flight had a purpose, right? We're getting right started. We met weather minimums all the way from KOMN down to MLB, which is Melbourne International. We're looking at 10 miles, 10-mile visibility, no ceilings, about 50% relative humidity, and anywhere from 8 to 12 knot northwest wind. So for our longest leg, everything's ideal. We will have a headwind going out to Ormond, but nothing crazy. Low humidity, I mean, it's great flying conditions. Airspace is clear, our NOTAM is in effect, and there's no TFRs or anything that are restricting our operation. Tower coordination has been completed. They're aware of what we're doing, how long we'll be out there. Told them we left the window open till 2. If we finish early or stay late, I'll keep them in the loop and we'll keep them notified. But they did put it on ATIS, so all the aircraft that are on the west side of 257 will be aware that there's going to be a big aircraft flying around out there. All right, folks, let's go ahead and start getting our station set up out front, moving aircraft out. We've got the 2 batteries full right here. MEMS team, I'll help you get loaded out and get down south. All good? All right. Y'all ready for plug-in?
60 to 62, that's still tracking. Everything looks good. Let's just double check that those waypoints are in where we need them to be. So 33 to 36, right here, they match. This is the airspace that we need to dip down. So between 62 and 33, right here you see it.
Like that same distance.
Same thing on this side. Everything looks good there. We're turning around right before we get into Flagler's airspace at this transmission, the substation right here. And everything looks good on that end. HGT, transition altitude 120, radius is 300. All right, everything looks good with the flight plan.
Beautiful, just review the geofence behavior. Let's change that to home. Yep.
Else we want to look at?
And you were at 300 on your RTO.
Fail-safe return mode, fail-safe critical level.
While you're here, we can go ahead and do our control surface checks.
All right, go ahead. Good check.
I have a heading of 7.
I got 357, we're good.
Radar's clear. All right, any concerns?
No, sir.
Any concerns?
Absolutely not.
Any concerns? All clear?
All clear.
Arm.
Going to arm in 1, 2, 3, arming.
Arm.
And taking off. We're at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, you got eyes on it, 60, 80, 100, 120. I see transition. Going to be crossing 95 pretty soon here. All right, back to 300 feet. Ground speed 25 miles per hour. Still in mission, still an arrow, 30 satellites. Battery looks good.
As long as you're monitoring the altitude, which tells you how high you're supposed to be, the attitude that you're turning in the way you expected, and your airspeed, that lets you know you're going roughly 40. Your ground speed will be different. Like right now we're flying with a 15-mile-an-hour headwind, so our ground speed is about 15 miles per hour. We're flying about 25, 26 ground speed, but still 40 airspeed. But that's your main observation during this. It's more or less like a manned pilot does for instrument. You're just worried attitude, altitude, airspeed. That lets you know your aircraft is doing the right thing, going the way you expect it to go.
Everything so far
Looks spot on, exactly what we expect. So throughout the operation, I hate to use the word boring, but it just continues to go as expected. Routine comms. I mean, the majority of the talk was just everybody saying, hey, you see that aircraft? Yes, I see that aircraft. Repeating back telemetry, reading battery voltages, but it continues to be very clean. That aircraft coming to 7 right now, what altitude do you have them at?
Coming in at 7 right, I see 50 feet,
Okay.
25 feet.
Okay.
Yep.
Passing phase line red.
Copy.
40 and 300 winds 8.5 out of the east southeast. The LEM still looks steady. We are approaching the questionable area of cellular connectivity.
Yep.
All right, Pat, you have control.
Requesting.
You have control.
My aircraft.
About 6 miles to go.
Yep. Airspeed and ground speed look good. Altitude's holding 44.15 volts. Winds 3.2 from the east.
Copy.
Sending it to landing orbit.
Mission mode.
I see mission.
Entering the orbit. Dropping altitude. 250.
Flight at safe distance.
200. 180. Coming in on final. Have eyes on. Transition.
Flight at safe distance.
Have transition.
I have hover. Position.
Position mode. Flight at safe distance.
$100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30,
Voltage is chilling.
20, 10, 33 volt, 5, and ground. Disarm.
Congrats, y'all.